Combine rosemary and extra virgin olive oil to shield brain cells from oxidation. What if 2 everyday ingredients already sitting in your kitchen could provide natural compounds that help your body defend its cells against oxidative stress? Rosemary and extra virgin olive oil have been used in Mediterranean cooking for centuries, but modern research has given scientists another reason to study them. Both contain plant compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, and researchers are particularly interested in how these compounds may support healthy brain aging. This does not mean rosemary and olive oil can prevent dementia or reverse memory loss. But using them regularly as part of a balanced Mediterranean-style diet may be one simple way to increase your intake of protective plant compounds. The science of oxidative stress and brain aging. Your body naturally produces unstable molecules known as free radicals during normal metabolism. In reasonable amounts, this is completely normal. Problems can develop when free radical production becomes greater than the body's antioxidant defenses. This imbalance is called oxidative stress. Over time, excessive oxidative stress can damage proteins, fats, DNA, blood vessels, and cells throughout the body. The brain is particularly vulnerable because it consumes large amounts of oxygen and contains significant amounts of fatty tissue that can be affected by oxidation. Oxidative stress is also being studied as one of several processes involved in age-related changes in the nervous system. This is why researchers are so interested in diets rich in vegetables, fruits, herbs, nuts, seeds, legumes, and healthy fats. These foods provide vitamins, minerals, polyphenol, and other plant compounds that help support the body's natural defense systems. Rosemary is a particularly interesting example. This familiar herb contains several bioactive compounds, including rosmarinic acid, carnosic acid, and carnosol. Laboratory research has shown that these compounds have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Rosmarinic acid has been investigated for its potential effects on oxidative stress and inflammatory pathways within the nervous system. Carnosic acid has also attracted attention because researchers believe it may activate some of the body's own cellular antioxidant defense mechanisms. Much of the research specifically involving rosemary and brain protection, however, comes from laboratory and animal studies. Human research is still developing, so rosemary should be viewed as a nutritious culinary herb rather than a treatment for neurological disease. Then there is extra virgin olive oil. Unlike highly refined oils, good quality extra virgin olive oil retains naturally occurring polyphenols such as hydroxytyrosol and related phenolic compounds. It is also rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. These compounds are one reason extra virgin olive oil is considered an important part of the Mediterranean diet. Human studies have also produced encouraging results. Research involving Mediterranean dietary patterns enriched with extra virgin olive oil has found benefits in certain measures of cognitive performance among older adults. The important detail is that researchers usually study olive oil as part of an overall dietary pattern, not as an isolated cure. That distinction matters. The Mediterranean diet includes vegetables, fruits, legumes, whole grains, nuts, fish, herbs, and olive oil while limiting heavily processed foods. The potential benefits therefore come from the combined eating pattern rather than from one ingredient alone. Why rosemary and olive oil work well together. Combining rosemary with extra virgin olive oil gives you 2 different groups of plant compounds in one simple food. Rosemary contributes rosmarinic acid, carnosic acid, carnosol, and other phytochemicals. Extra virgin olive oil contributes olive polyphenol along with monounsaturated fats. The fat in olive oil also makes rosemary easy to incorporate into meals. Instead of taking complicated supplements, you can simply use the combination to flavor vegetables, beans, lentils, eggs, fish, chicken, potatoes, whole grains, or salads. This is one of the biggest advantages of this combination. It is practical enough to become part of everyday eating. And consistency usually matters more than occasionally consuming a large quantity of any so-called superfood. How to make rosemary and extra virgin olive oil. The simplest version takes only a few minutes. Add about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to a small bowl. Mix in approximately half a teaspoon of finely chopped fresh rosemary. If you are using dried rosemary, use slightly less because its flavor is more concentrated. Allow the rosemary to sit in the oil for several minutes before using it. You can also add a small squeeze of fresh lemon for additional flavor. Drizzle a modest amount over roasted vegetables, lentils, beans, grilled fish, eggs, potatoes, whole grain bread, or salad. There is no need to consume large quantities. Extra virgin olive oil is nutritious, but 1 tablespoon contains roughly 120 calories. If you are trying to manage your weight, It is better to use olive oil instead of butter, shortening, creamy dressings, or less nutritious fats rather than simply adding extra oil to your existing diet. Choosing the right olive oil matters as well. Look for oil labeled extra virgin olive oil, preferably packaged in a dark bottle. Store it away from direct sunlight and excessive heat and keep the bottle tightly closed because oxygen, light, and heat can gradually reduce its quality. Rosemary should also be used sensibly. Fresh and dried culinary rosemary are very different from highly concentrated rosemary essential oil. Rosemary essential oil should not be swallowed as a substitute for the herb. People taking prescription medications, pregnant women, and anyone considering concentrated rosemary supplements or extracts should speak with a qualified healthcare professional before using large supplemental amounts. The bigger picture for protecting your brain. Adding rosemary and extra virgin olive oil to your diet is a useful habit, but protecting the brain requires a much broader approach. Brain health is influenced by blood pressure, blood sugar, cholesterol levels, physical activity, sleep, smoking, cardiovascular health, social interaction, mental stimulation, genetics, and overall nutrition. That means the strongest strategy is not searching for one miracle ingredient. It is creating several healthy habits that work together. Use extra virgin olive oil in place of less nutritious fats. Eat plenty of colorful vegetables. Include beans, lentils, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and adequate protein. Stay physically active, sleep properly, control blood pressure and blood sugar, and avoid smoking. Then use herbs such as rosemary to add both flavor and additional plant compounds to your meals. This is essentially what makes Mediterranean-style eating so powerful. It is not built around one secret food. It is a pattern of simple foods consumed consistently over time. So the next time you prepare vegetables, eggs, fish, beans, lentils, or salad, try adding a little rosemary to extra virgin olive oil. It takes only a few seconds, improves the flavor of your meal, and gives you a combination of antioxidant-rich plant compounds that can fit naturally into a brain-supportive eating pattern. When it comes to healthy aging, small choices made repeatedly may matter far more than complicated remedies.